Hi children, last week we have started our third chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. In that chapter, main topics are first is conditions, nature of the lines, how many solutions they have. Okay. Next we studied how we will solve the pair of linear equation. We have two methods, that is graphical method and the algebraic method. Algebraic method have two methods, that is substitution method and elimination method. Last class we have discussed conditions and substitution method. So what is the general form of a linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b cannot be 0 simultaneously. That you already studied in grade 9. Then next, here in this chapter we are dealing with a pair of linear equations. That is, first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. By solving this we will get the solution, and we have two methods, graphical method and algebraic method. Now then first we studied the conditions, nature of the lines and the consistency. So we have three types. Okay, first, if a1 a2, what is a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2? A1 a2 are the coefficient of x, b1 b2 are the coefficients of y, c1 c2 are the coefficient of C1, C2 are the constants. So when you compare, like A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, they are intersecting like this. Intersecting, so only one solution and consistent. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, they are coincident line like this, one line over the other. And they have infinitely many solutions and they are dependent consistent. Third one is A1 by A2 is no equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. They are parallel lines and they are having no solution and they are inconsistent. This is very important. Okay. Then we will do one questions. This is on comparing the ratios. Find out whether the line representing are intersecting at a point, parallel or coincident. First we will do A1 by A2. That is 5 by 7. Then we will do B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is minus 4 by 6. That is minus 2 by 3. From this what you understand? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That means they are intersect at a point or intersecting lines. Then they are having only one solution. Only one solution. And they are consistent. They are consistent. I hope this is clear. By writing the coefficients, you will understand if this is intersecting, if how many solutions they will have, and they are consistent or not. One more question we will do, like here a1 by a2, that is 4 by 3 divided by 2, that is 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. So the answer is 2 by 3. Then b1 by b2, that is also what is 2 and 3, 2 by 3. c1 by c2, that is 8 by 12, that is also 2 by 3. That means what to understand, children? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So they are coincident lines. Coincident lines. They are dependent consistent. Dependent consistent. And infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. I hope this is clear. Then this is another type of question. This is normally coming in 3 mark. Okay. So here they have given a linear equation. We have to write another linear equation such that these two equations are intersecting, parallel and coincident. So first I will write this equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Then we will write the condition, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So I will multiply first term with 2, that is 4x. So you can multiply with any number except 2. Okay, first term I multiplied with 2, so you can multiply the other two with any number other than 2. So I am multiplying with the um, 3. So this is 4x plus 9y minus 24 equal to 0. That means what you understand, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 is not equal to 1 by 3. Next one. Next is parallel line. So 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Here what is the condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. That is parallel na. So I will multiply with a number that will satisfy both the first two terms. That is, I will multiply by 2. So 4x. Then I will multiply with 2, 6y. But next one I have to multiply with any number other than 2. So I am writing minus 9. Okay. Then third equation, coincident. So our condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So I multiplied with the equation by the same number. So I will get 4x plus 6y minus 16. I multiplied with 2. This is very important. Okay, children. Now how we will solve? Already first I am doing algebraic method. So in this we have two methods, substitution method and elimination method. So how we will do the substitution method? I am here one example is there. So how we will do? We will pull a variable from any of the equation. So I am pulling x from the first equation. So from 1 I am writing x in terms of y, that is 7x equal to 2 plus 15y, that is x is equal to 2 plus 15y divided by 7. This is our third equation. Then I will substitute this third in the other equation. So here it is this is second equation. So when I substitute, it will become 2 plus 15y by 7 plus 2y equal to 3. By cross multiplication, you will get 2 plus 15y plus 14y equal to 21. That is 29y equal to 19. So y you will get as 19 by 29. When you substitute this y in our third equation, only any equation you can substitute. So you will get 2 plus 15 into 19 by 29 divided by 7. By solving this, you will get 49 by 29. So here x is 49 by 29 and y is 19 by 29. This is substitution method. Here one word problem is there. In a shop, the cost of 2 pencil and 3 eraser is 9 and cost of 4 pencil and 6 eraser is 18. Find the cost of each pencil and each eraser. So let the cost of pencil be x, let the cost of eraser be y. So here 2 pencils, so 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Here 4x plus 6y equal to 18. So from the first equation, I write x in terms of y, that is 9 minus 3y by 2. Then I substitute this third in our second equation. So 4 into 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 6y equal to 18. 2, 4 cancel. 2 into 9, 18 minus 6y plus 6y equal to 18. In this, what you understand, children, 18 equal to 18. That means that is true. So this condition is true. So it has infinitely many solutions. This question is solve. Two equations are given. Find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus. So from the first equation, I wrote x is 11 minus 3y by 2. Then I substitute this third equation in our second equation. That is 2 into 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y equal to minus 24. 2 cancel. So you will get 11 minus 7y equal to minus 24 and minus 7y minus 35. So y equal to 5. Then I substitute this y in our x. So you will get minus 2. So x and y you got, that is y is equal to mx plus 3. Substitute, then you got m is equal to minus 1. Here, the taxi charge in a city consists of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, charge is 105 and a 15 km charge is 155. What are the fixed charge and charge per kilometer? Children, here you know, like a fixed charge is there, charge per kilometer is there. So fixed charge I took as x and the other one we took as y. So x plus 10y, so a fixed charge and the distance. So x plus 10y is 105, x plus next one 15, 15y is 155. So from the first equation I wrote as 155 minus 10y. Then I substitute this third equation in our second equation. So you got as 105 minus 10y plus 15y plus 5y equal to 155. So 5y is equal to 50. So y is equal to 10. Then you substitute in our third equation, you got 5. So fixed charge is rupees 5 and the charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Then we have to find the distance of 25 kilometers. So fixed charge is there, that is 5. Then 25 kilometers there, so 25 into 5, 255. Okay children, so these are the topic we discussed in the last class. I hope this is clear. If any doubt is there, please feel free to ask me. Okay children, thank you.